From a FF&E and procurement standpoint of this project, we were building this hotel at a time that the United States was going through tariff hikes and taxes on certain imported goods. With the help of UNIIK design, we were able to overcome some of those obstacles. Some of those obstacles in tariffs. UNIIK was able to guide us in a different direction without compromising the design integrity and quality of the total project. Some of the positive reviews that we've been receiving are the aesthetic features of this hotel. We have a lot of custom design in this hotel. In our guest rooms, we do have a pop of color in our fabrics. They're subtle, but they also pop. So it attracts a large demographic in our guests. In our public areas, we do have some custom artwork in the business center. We do have custom artwork in the lobby. And it's an open floor plan. We understand with today's travelers and the future of traveling, the guests want a place to congregate outside of their guest rooms. So we have found that this design with an open floor plan should attract a large demographic. We have had great guest reviews, great comments from the city, with a great brand behind us, and the design of the hotel are what is driving the comments.